Welcome back to the channel. It's me, Maverick Lee, and today I am in a place called Hunan, which is a city in China. And I am going to try Hunan's very own cuisine. This right here, I cannot wait to try. This is Hunan's very own stir-fried beef with garlic, and I believe this is rhubarb. I'm not too sure what this is there, the green stuff. So yeah, that looks very good. And here we have, it looks like fried egg in some kind of sauce, I think, with pepper, chopped and diced pepper. Here we have cabbage. I'm not sure if that's stir-fried or boiled, but it smells boiled. And we have some unique looking bread rolls. Look at that, how cool do them look? This is not like typical standard bread, so I'm looking forward to this because supposedly it was steamed as well. It's in a nice wooden dim sum style basket. So let's start off trying this egg right here. Very good. Very, very good, but it's spicy. That's because they put loads of pepper in this. That egg though, is possibly one of the best fried eggs I've ever tasted. It's perfectly cooked. So good. Now, my subscribers already know I'm not the biggest fan of spicy, but let's try some of this pepper with a little bit of egg as well. Very, very nice. Let's take a little drink of my Chinese tea that they've kindly given me, just to refresh my taste buds. Next up is this. Look at that, wow. That looks so good. I love beef as well, so I'm really excited for this one. Smells so nice. Must be the garlic in that, you know. Very, very good. Amazing. So tender. Not greasy, not oily. Perfectly cooked. Very, very nice. It almost melts in your mouth. Not as good as chow shan beef, but it's very good beef. Very nice. We've also got some coriander in that I've noticed as well. Okay, now let's try this cabbage. It was recommended to us to try, so let's see what all the fuss is about. That's nice cabbage as well, very nice cabbage. I know people will be thinking, oh, cabbage is cabbage, but it's really not. If you've ever tried like Chinese stir fry, this is totally different to the type of cabbage, the way it's cooked in the West, let's say. Next up, let's try some of this bread. Look at this bread. This bread looks so cool. It's nice and warm as well. It almost smells a bit like wheat beer. I get the impression of like a wheat beer, you know. That's pretty weird, but I was going to dip it in this sauce that I've just got an eye of. Okay, look at that. That's dipped in the sauce from the stir-fried beef. One more dip. Oh my god. Oh my god. That is so amazing. The bread was okay. It's definitely different to standard bread, but when dipped in this sauce, oh my god, it becomes a 5, instant 5. That bread dipped in that sauce is out of this world. 5 out of 5. So good. So nice. And they've kindly give us some fruit here as well. And watermelon, one of my favorites. I love watermelon. You can't go wrong with watermelon, can you? Any time of the year, it's always so good. I would give the bread a 4 out of 5. I would give the cabbage a 3.7 out of 5. I would give the egg a 4.2, 4.3 out of 5. And the beef, I would give the beef 4.6, 4.7 out of 5, maybe a 4.7 out of 5. So good. Well, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you liked the video, leave a like on the video, subscribe to the channel for more content like this, and don't forget, before you go, check out the other videos on my channel for more content just like this. Thanks for watching.